Hi everyone, welcome back to the SAM Biology classes online. I am Salim. In this video, we are going to study about the nervous system of prawn. So let's start the video. The nervous system of prawn, it consists of three systems, namely central nervous system, peripheral nervous system and sympathetic nervous system. Let us study in detail about the central nervous system and the important components of central nervous system. The central nervous system, it mainly consists of four important components. Number one, brain. Number two, circumesophageal commissure. Number three, ventral thoracic ganglion. And number four, ventral nerve cord. So these are the four important components of central nervous system. So let us study each component one by one in detail. This image gives you the presence of four important components of central nervous system, namely brain. It is also called supraesophageal ganglia. Second, circumesophageal connective, or it is also called circumesophageal commissure, thoracic ganglion and ventral nerve cord. Same thing was shown, but it is taken from the another textbook. Here also you can see the four important components of the central nervous system of prawn. You can see the brain. Only the anterior end of the brain is enlarged in this slide. Coming to the first important part of central nervous system, that is brain. As I told you, brain, it is also called supraesophageal ganglion. So it is a bilobed structure. It means it has two lobes and it is located at the base of the rostrum. So rostrum, it is a part of the body. So at the base of the rostrum, brain is present and it is bilobed and it is located above the esophagus. Hence it is called supraesophageal ganglion because it is located above the esophagus. Ganglion means a group of nerves. Okay, so as I told you, it is brain, also called supraesophageal ganglion. It is formed by the fusion of many ganglia. Okay, so several ganglia will be fused to form this brain, and many nerves are arises from the brain. So mainly there are five important nerves, as you can see in the slide ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು 5 nerves ಅನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Okay, that are very important nerves arising from the brain of the prawn. Number one, antennulary nerve. As the name suggests, it is supplied to the antennules. Optic nerve, it is supplied to the compound eyes. Antennary nerves supplied to the antenna. And the fourth one is ophthalmic nerve. It is supplied to the muscles of eye stalk, and tegmental nerve, it is supplied to the labrum. So these are the five important nerves arising from the brain. I repeat once again: antennulary nerves, optic nerve, antennary nerve, ophthalmic nerve, and fifth one is a tegmental nerve. Now coming to the second important component of central nervous system is circumesophageal commissure. So a pair of nerves that are arises from the base of the brain are called circumesophageal commissure. So as the name suggests, they are located below the brain, or they can arise from the base of the brain. And why it is called esophageal commissure? Because it runs downward around the esophagus. So it runs or it moves downward around the esophagus. It is located, hence the name is given as a esophageal commissure. And it contains the nerves, and these nerves are supplied to the mandibles. You know that mandibles are nothing but teeth like structures, I told you. And This circumesophageal commissure, it is connected by a transverse commissure at the posterior end of the brain. Okay, or you can say the posterior end of the commissure, it is connected by another one commissure known as a transverse commissure. Now the third important component, as I told you, ventral thoracic ganglion. See, the ventral thoracic ganglion, as you can see in the picture, it is very elongated and it is situated above the thorax on the ventral side. Hence the name given ventral thoracic, because it is located on the ventral side, particularly at the thoracic region. So therefore the name was given as a ventral thoracic ganglion. In some book it is given as a ventral thoracic ganglionic mass. Both are same. Ventral thoracic ganglionic mass or ventral thoracic ganglion, both are same. And what is the speciality of this part is it is formed by the fusion of 11 ganglia. Okay, so 11 ganglia are fused together, combined together, and they form this structure. And first three pairs of ganglia are called cephalic nerves, and the next, or you can say the last 8 pairs are called thoracic nerves. Okay, out of these 8 pairs of thoracic nerves, 5 pairs of nerves are supplied for the walking legs, and remaining 3 out of 8 thoracic nerves, 3 pairs are for the maxillipeds. So walking legs are 5 pairs in the prawn, hence 5 pairs of nerves are given and 3 pairs of nerves are supplied for the maxillipeds. So this is about the ventral thoracic ganglion. The last important component of central nervous system is a ventral nerve cord. See, as the name suggests, ventral nerve cord, so it is located below the ventral thoracic ganglion, and it starts from abdomen and it is extended up to the last segment. So it starts from the abdomen and it is extended up to the last segment of the body. And there are 6 abdominal ganglia will be present in the ventral nerve cord. So you can see the diagram. So after the central nervous system, as I told you, the nervous system of prawn, it consists of a peripheral nervous system. Okay, see, the nerves coming from the, or the nerves arising from the central nervous system, they innervate or they enters into different parts of the body, constitute the peripheral nervous system of prawn. Coming to the sympathetic nervous system, it is also called visceral nervous system, and it is represented by a few small ganglia and the nerves. A small nerve will arises from the posterior part of the body, and it contains 2 visceral ganglia, and these visceral ganglia are free and gives off 2 pairs of nerves to the muscles of the wall of the esophagus and the cardiac stomach. Okay, so the visceral ganglion, so it supplies 2 pairs of nerves to the muscular wall of the esophagus as well as the cardiac stomach. You know that the stomach of the prawn, it is divided into cardiac and pyloric stomach. Only it supplies the nerve to the cardiac stomach. I hope you understood the video. So like, comment and share the video with others. Thank you very much.